Hello everybody. Hi, how are you? I hope you are all well. And with the new year comes new resolution about increasing your fitness goals. So I have come up with a video often asked about how to change the Apple Watch goals. Usually there is an internal algorithm within the Apple Watch. It tracks your overall goal, overall pattern of daily activities and sets its own goal for every week or every month depending upon its schedule. So just in case you don't want to follow the goal set by the Apple Watch, and if you would like to change your own goal, just go to the Apple Watch fitness app and long press, and you will see change move goal. So press that goal and you have the option to increase by and decrease by 10 points. Say if you would like to increase the calorie of daily burn calories to 50, just change add 50 and update, and your circle gets updated, the red circle gets updated to match that goal. So I hope this tip was useful for you. I will come up with another video with new tips within Apple Watch. Until then, be happy, stay safe. Goodbye.